Welcome back, everyone, to Heart Renderings. We hope you're enjoying the stories. Today's prompt is The Sound of 1,000 Secrets. Hush, 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 I say. Those are the words I hear in a whisper, coming from the corner, which is hidden behind heavy, dark drapes. I move myself from my comfy, four-poster, 100-year-old bed that belonged to my great-grandmother Sarah, wondering, who is it this time? I've lived in this house for 10 years, which is at the end of a road lined with huge, ancient oaks. Our family shared this house for generations with each other, and it seems no one could throw anything away for fear a relative might be using it to visit us. Everything was precious. Every rug, lamp, piece of silver, afghans, and pillows. The house is a museum. A living museum, really, as my ancestors pop in and out at will, just to scare the crap out of me as a joke. We always had our share of pranksters. So tonight I can't imagine who beckons me from behind the curtain. I start walking toward the voices and hear giggling. I recognize those giggles from a set of twins ages ago who died of pneumonia. They were the first ones to visit me, Sally and Eve, so sweet and mischievous. They've somehow learned stuff on the other side, like how to levitate objects and dance them across the room. I've even engaged in a game of catch with them a few times. They are very sweet, and I adore them. They've managed to find a way to assail me with kisses that land on my cheeks like little puffs of air. Amazing and endearing. As I get closer, I hear them and see them rustling the drape. They are sounding urgent. I hurry over and grab the drapes in an effort to hopelessly get one in my arms for a hug. But no. Too ephemeral. I just get the whispers. Okay, girls, I say, what's up? Well, Sally whispers, we have some secrets for you. We just found them out from your nanny. Okay, what are they? Nanny wanted you to know she's watching over you, and while she hasn't found you a mate, she's still looking. Old news, ladies, I say. We know. We're just nervous about telling you this latest information. It could alter your life in a big way, change all kinds of things. Really, I say? Spill it. And with that, they left. Those pranksters. The end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tell your friends and subscribe.